Every project we create starts not with moss, but with the space itself. These 3 green walls were designed for a new wellness center in Limassol. Because the installations are located in a fairly narrow corridor, it was important for us to keep the space feeling light and open. That's why we made the lower section less textured while placing the larger, more sculptural plants higher up. This allowed us to incorporate cascading amaranthus, ferns, and palm leaves, adding depth and movement without interfering with the flow of the corridor. As the green installation covers a large area, we deliberately avoided strong color contrasts. Instead, we chose soft olive and natural green tones that create a calming atmosphere, the perfect complement to a wellness center environment. All 3 pieces are framed in solid beech wood and were assembled from multiple sections. Today, we are completing the final stage of installation by carefully blending preserved moss into the joints, making every seam disappear so the artwork reads as one seamless composition. From the initial concept to the completed installation, the entire project took 8 weeks. A beautiful interior catches your eye. Nature in an interior changes the way you feel.